In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Tuya Smart Door Lock to your Wi-Fi or home network. Once you have the Smart Life app or Tuya application on your mobile phone, just open it. You go to the plus button on the upper right, you click Add Device, then you look for the camera and lock, then you scroll down until you find here the lock Wi-Fi version. Then you just have to enter your username and your password for your network, then you click next. Then on your lock, you have to press the asterisk, then the hash button. Then for your admin information, you enter your PIN, or you just have to press the fingerprint panel. Press the number 1 button because you need to add this to your network as an admin. So you need to press the number 2 because you're adding this to your home network. Then you have to confirm on your phone that the indicator is blinking rapidly. Then you click the easy mode. Then you wait for 2 minutes for the lock to connect to your mobile phone. There's a number there, you can see 1, 2, 3 while it is attempting to connect to your home network. So once done, it will register on cloud, then it will initialize the device. When you see the number 4 on your lock, it means to say that it's successfully connected to your home network. So you just have to wait for the lock to initialize, and now it's connecting. There is a smart lock there because I already connected this to my Wi-Fi network previously, but I just tried to reconnect in order for you guys to see. So once done, you can check if your smart door lock, your Tuya Smart Door, is connected to your home network. So you just have to press the number 9, then the hash. It will notify your phone that you need to check unlock it by simply tapping. So is this remote opening allowed? So you have to respond by clicking confirm. It's unlocked. Then after 5 seconds, it will automatically lock. So that means that your smart lock is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. If you want to know how to reset or change the language from English to Chinese or from Chinese to English, you can check my other video here. And that's all for now, and if you have any questions or suggestions, write it in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, bye!